Okay, so should you actually verify your age on Character AI? I'm going to give you the real answer here, not the panic version where I tell you it's some huge privacy disaster, and not the, nah, it's totally fine, just do it version either. Let's actually break it down. So real quick, why is this even a question people are asking? Character AI has been running this thing in the background called age assurance. It's basically checking signals on your account, how long you've had it, your activity, stuff like that. And if it's not confident you're 18 or older, boom, you get locked into this reading-only mode. And to get out of it, they offer you age verification. Seems simple on paper, but a bunch of you are hesitating on this. And honestly, that hesitation is completely fair. So let's actually talk through what you're agreeing to. First thing you should know, verifying isn't automatically an ID check. Don't picture handing over your driver's license right away. What actually happens is you take a selfie, it goes through this third-party company called Persona, and they estimate your age from your face. Most people never touch an ID at all. Now, here's the part that actually worries people. And I'm not going to pretend it's nothing, because it's a fair worry. If that selfie comes back inconclusive, like Persona just can't tell, only then might they ask for an actual ID. Character AI doesn't see it, doesn't store it, it goes straight to Persona, and they say they hold on to it for about a week. But is a week good enough for you? I don't know. That's genuinely up to you. If you're not comfortable handing biometric stuff to any third party, even one that seems legit, that's a real trade-off. Not a myth, not overreacting. A real thing. So here's the case for doing it. If you're an actual adult and you got flagged, which happens, by the way, even to real adults, verifying is literally the only official way back to full chat. There's no other sanctioned route. You skip it, you're stuck in this limited stories mode indefinitely, even though you're old enough. And the case for maybe pausing, if facial scanning by any company, even indirectly, is just a hard no for you, that's a legitimate line to draw. And look, this isn't Character AI just deciding to be annoying. States like California, New York, Utah, Texas, they've got laws pushing this kind of verification on AI platforms now. So the company's kind of boxed in here, but you still get to choose what you do with it. So if you decide it's not for you, what does that actually look like? You just stay in stories mode. Limited, preset content, no open-ended chat. Some of you are going to be totally fine with that. Others are going to go look at different platforms that don't ask for this at all. And I'm not going to sit here and act like that's some perfect clean swap either. You're just trading one set of trade-offs for a different one. Oh, and one thing that trips a lot of people up. Turning 18 does not fix this automatically. Like, at all. You still have to go in yourself. Settings, then advanced, then verify age, and trigger it manually. So, should you verify? Honestly, if you're a real adult who just wants your chat back and a quick selfie through Persona doesn't bother you, it's a pretty low friction fix. But if facial data going anywhere, even through a third party, is somewhere you don't want to go, staying in stories mode or checking out other options is completely valid too. There's no universal right answer. It's just about what you're actually okay trading here. If you already went through this and got stuck somewhere, I've got a full step-by-step fix video linked right up here. Subscribe to Ask Daniel Fix if this helped you actually think it through. I'm keeping up with this stuff as it changes, because clearly, it's not going to stop anytime soon.